Hello to all. You all are welcome in your today's English online class. Today we are going to go through simple past tense and related to the topic voices. Here simple past tense, we know that simple past tense deals with second form of the verb. Okay. Here we see in active voice subject plus second form of the verb plus object, and while converted it into passive voice, what do? Object will take place of subject, and at the place of this second form of the verb we will go with was, were, because is-am-are is the first form and the second form is was, were, and we know that in voices we go with the same tense. It means past will again deal with the past in passive voice also. If we are having past tense in active voice, in order to convert it into passive voice, we will go with the past tense itself. Was, were plus which form of the verb will be applied in voices? Always third form of the verb. Now let us start our exercise. Before starting exercise, let's have a quick look at the example. Vidisha rang the doorbell. Students, whenever you are just going through the voices, first of all, after reading the sentence, what do? The very first thing that you have to notice this verb. Now you see that it is in second form. Ring, rang, rung, second form. So it's clear that it is simple past tense, and now while converted it into passive voice, you have to go with was, were plus third form of the verb. The doorbell, as we see that singular, we are talking about the singular subject here, so we will select the verb was. The doorbell was rung, ring, rang, rung, third form will be applied, rung, by whom? By Vidisha. Now in our exercise, we have convert the following sentences into passive voice. At first place, we are having the sentence, my pet dog killed this snake. Now we are noticing that second form is given here, so we have to convert it into was, were plus third form of the verb. This snake, here this snake is an object here, and object will take place of the subject in active voice. So this snake, now which verb do we choose, was or were? Here we are having a singular subject, so this snake was killed. This snake was killed by whom? By my pet dog. At next place, we are having Columbus discovered America. Now we'll see that America was discovered by Columbus. At number 3, the Prime Minister laid the foundation stone. Now the object is the foundation stone, and it will take the subject here in passive voice. The foundation stone was laid by the Prime Minister. Laid. Now the fourth one is, the hotel charged a heavy tariff. Now we see that a heavy tariff was charged by the hotel. Next is, Akubai broke the plates. So the plates, now not a single plate is here, the plates were break, broke, broken. Third form is broken. The plates were broken by whom? By Akubai. Full stop is to be added. The servant cleaned the house. The house, now single subject is here, single house we are talking about. So was or were? Was. The house was cleaned by the servant. I hope you all are getting a clear-cut view. The seventh sentence is relating to the negative form. The train did not blow the siren. Now we see that do is the first form and did is the second form. So don't get confused here, students. This is relating to simple past tense. Only the negative form is applied, because we know that negative form can't come alone. It requires the helping verb. The train did not blow the siren. So we go with the siren as an subject in passive voice. The siren, now single siren is here. The siren was not, we can't skip this negative form. The siren was not blow, blew, blown. Third form will be applied. The siren was not blown by the train. By the train. Next is, we expected a good news. At number 8, we are having the sentence, we expected a good news. So, in converting into passive voice, a good news was, because here news is a already plural. Okay students, news is a complete word. You can use this word for a single one or the plural one. Okay, so don't get confused that if we are applying s here, these letters are presenting the complete spelling news. Okay, so we are talking about a good news. A good news was expected by us. We will be converted into us. The teacher didn't check the notebooks. Now the notebooks, now here we are having more notebooks, so verb will be applied. The notebooks were not, negative form is given, so not checked by the teacher. Maruti Suzuki launched a new model. A new model, we are talking about a single model. A new model was launched by Maruti Suzuki. So class, this was your exercise related to simple past tense. I hope you are comfortable while sorting it out. Keep on learning students, keep on watching. Thank you.